My granddaughters and I have to share this fun project we did this weekend, and they're even going to narrate for themselves. So the first up is Audrey.
Hi! So the first step we took was we put a Magnolia Design stencil on my hand, and we put some face paint, or you could just say body paint, and we put it on the stencil, and then we used our squeegee to squeegee it in the places that we wanted to. And I even have a joke for you.
What's the joke?
How was the Declaration of Independence written?
How?
As a USA.
Get it? Essay?
And it kind of got a little bit smudged on it, but we just went back in and used a Q-tip that we put a little bit of alcohol on, and we just put it in the places we needed to fix up.
Okay. And it turned out pretty cute, didn't it?
Yeah, it was really fun.
I like it. And then we had to have Olivia do it.
Hi, so I picked this fireworks stencil, and what we did was we took the blue paint for the top of it and squeegeed that all over, made sure we didn't miss a spot. And then we took the red and we did the other half of the firework, and we got a little too much on there, so we had to squeegee some off.
It came out quick.
Yeah, and then so we used a plate, and to get the small little details we took a paintbrush to get all those in.
You ready for the reveal?
Yep.
Oh, this is so fun. And then it's Grandma's turn. But Olivia actually did it, so how did we do this one, Olivia?
So we put the paint on the plate,
Yeah.
and then we took paintbrushes and we just put it where it needed to be, so it was just USA. And we did part of the U as blue, and then the others were red. And this stencil, we only did half of it, so it would fit on her arm.
Yeah. USA upside down, but you get the point. So we hope you try it, and we hope you like this, and we can't wait to craft with you again.